I think it's the confluence of the best of capacities, talents, potential, and legacy of our country. It is very essential today to exhibit, especially in a global market where many people are looking at an industrialized form of craft, to showcase what is handmade, to showcase what has a touch of history to it. So the fact that Gaurang Show brought together many elements of Indian craft, legacy and culture alive, I think that's the tribute that he pays, not only to our country's civilizational history, but the fact that he can actually bring a touch of modernity to it. And what I loved was all kinds of women. I may have been the only one who insists on wearing my reading glasses, but the fact that as a design force he gives that breathing space, because his sarees, like I said, are actually non-discriminatory. They provide you a sense of dignity and grace. So the fact that the ramp is not limited to an age, the fact that the ramp is not limited to a body size, the fact that the ramp is not limited to a feature, I think is what Gaurang brought alive. So he's genuinely a compliment to the legacy of the Indian heritage in textiles. The fact that today there is a quintessential element of not only acceptance, but also that we are setting standards in luxury. There are many brands and labels overseas that perhaps were taking a part of our legacy and not attributing it to the elegance of craftsmanship in our country. Digital media today allows a designer, a design house, a house of jewelry to actually fact check that. So I think that in such a global market, the fact that you're keeping these elements alive and you are competitive in terms of the cost with which you offer it to a larger consumption base, I think that's what today's show also signifies.
It's everything. It's in my everyday life, what I see, what I experience. It's just that I get an idea. An idea came from here. They said, Gaurang, show karna hai. I said, okay. एक साल पहले बोला था करना है. I said, okay, चलो. And it starts and I follow them on Instagram and I said, जब show करूँगा इनको बुलाना. Next मुझे इनका है and she is going to be there. She's danced before also and now she is again back. And the jewelry, the clothes you see. See, everything what we have shown, the गाना हो जाएगा, dance होगा, कपड़े होंगे, jewelry, everything is handcrafted. There's nothing computer here, nothing AI, nothing. Everything is handcrafted where when if two weavers are weaving, they are putting their emotions in it. If the jewelry is getting made while he's drawing or it's being getting made by the karigars, they are putting their emotion and joy and their story. Right? She's come with her story. They have come with their story. She's come. So everything is a conference of stories and everything is of emotions.
So basically, before anything, I want to say that I'm wearing a 18-year-old Gaurang sari. Yes, and that's how long, and more than that, I know Gaurang. So I told Gaurang, ek show karna hai where we can be what we are. We are making jewelry. We want to make something which can be passed on generations, which can be taken as legacy, and that's what I feel about Gaurang, about his clothes. And I said, Gaurang, we have to do something where we don't have to compromise towards modernity. I mean, of course, our customers are young girls, but they should not feel that, oh, this is old-fashioned or something like that. We have to do something where people should feel proud wearing our heritage and culture. And I think that was brought around, and I can't speak as well as ma'am, but I think that was very well brought about today. And I'm sure each young girl will feel that, yes, they want to be a part of our culture. And I think that's what we wanted to showcase today.